In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Khmer font in Canva. If your Khmer text looks broken, scrambled, or strangely spaced inside Canva, don't worry. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed with a few simple adjustments right inside your design. The main goal is to make sure Canva is working with clean text and a font that properly supports Khmer script. Start by opening your Canva project from the homepage and going into the design where the issue appears. Once the editor loads, find the text box that contains the Khmer text you want to fix and click on it once so it becomes selected. You should see the text frame highlighted, which confirms you're editing the correct element and not affecting the rest of your design. One of the biggest reasons Khmer text breaks in Canva is because the text was copied from a source that carries hidden formatting. That extra formatting can interfere with how the script is displayed. So if you're pasting Khmer text into Canva, click inside the text box and use paste without formatting instead. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and V. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and V. This keeps only the plain text and removes unwanted background styling, which gives Canva a much better chance of rendering the characters correctly. Next, check the font you're using. Even if the text is technically there, it may still look wrong if the font doesn't fully support Khmer. With the text box selected, go to the font menu in the top toolbar and search for Khmer fonts. Choose a font designed for Khmer script, such as Cantamri Pro, Khmer OS, Hanuman, or Mool. As soon as you switch to a compatible font, you'll often see the text immediately become more readable and properly structured. If the letters are displaying correctly, but the text still looks crowded or uneven, adjust the spacing. Open the spacing controls from the top toolbar. Then carefully change the letter spacing if characters are too tight, and adjust the line spacing if stacked elements are touching the line above or below. Make small changes here because even a slight adjustment can make Khmer text much clearer. Finally, do a quick alignment check before exporting. Move the text box around slightly and use Canva's guidelines to help it snap neatly into place with the rest of your layout. When everything looks right, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG if the design is for screens or PDF print if it's for printing, and then download your final file. That's it. Once you use clean pasted text, a proper Khmer font, and the right spacing, your Canva design should look much better.